Policy engagement on a personal level for me, it's quite important in terms of trying to tackle health problems among some of the most marginalised and most difficult to reach populations. I'm based in the Department of Psychiatry and I'm a forensic psychiatrist, which is somebody that works at the intersection of crime and mental health. And my research is mainly looking at how to predict and prevent adverse outcomes in people with mental illness. So the policy area I'm working in currently is preventing deaths in custody. That includes prisons, people detained in hospital, police and immigration removal centres. I'm currently working on the independent advisory panel that helps inform government policy on how to prevent deaths in custody. I'd heard about the panel's work because I'd been working in the area of prison health and an advert came out for opening, and so I applied.
Having someone like Seena on the panel, who has got such a wide experience of research, is invaluable. It means when we're looking at a particular issue, for example, at the very start of the pandemic, he was able to pull together very quickly what was happening literally across the globe to make certain that we were giving the kind of advice to ministers that we felt confident would help to reduce the risk of deaths.
Another area of policy is that we reviewed all the evidence on how to prevent self-harm and deaths in prison, and that led to us recommending some changes to cell architecture basically, and that went to the prison's white paper. It was a very scalable intervention, so something that didn't cost a lot of money and would be relatively simple to implement that might have a large impact. From a work perspective, it's been really useful because I've made a number of really good contacts. We've been able to meet quite senior people in government. One of the largest benefits is that you can see some of the work you're doing having actually some impact in the real world, and that's really quite important because as researchers often we don't really get any feedback from our work apart from usually negative feedback through peer reviews.
It's terribly important to us to be able to present balanced and clear advice to ministers. So we feel he makes an important contribution and we're grateful for it.